Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download applications or games in this Samsung Wave phone. So let's begin. First of all, you should put your jar files in an SD card. Link in the description. There is any jar zip file you should convert into jar. So first, you need to long press in that jar zip file and then more, rename, backspace the zip and rename and press change. After putting games or application into your SD card, you should put your SD card into your phone. One thing you should check about your phone is how much capacity of SD card it can handle. Some mobile phones cannot handle up to 15 gigabytes of SD card. After putting SD card back into your phone, you should go to Applications menu, then Files, and go to your memory card. Then go to the file where you save all the games and applications and click any of them. I am going to click this diamond twister game and press yes and press this one and press install and press play. And now you can play your games and anything in your phone. If you need to remove this trackpad over here, you should do this. First go back, go to games and go to memory cards option. And before you do this, you should stop any minimized games. Sorry. Let me get that focus. And click on stop. And click which game you need to stop. Click stop. Then go back to this three dot option. Click on this virtual keypad. In some game you should put virtual keypad because some games are not touchscreen playable, and click on which game you don't want to play this virtual keypad. And save and click on the game. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.